Hey, this is Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I want to thank you for joining me on the 22nd day of my 30-day meditation challenge. This meditation will be for ADHD, improving our focus. As always, please find your preferred comfortable seat, whether that be on the floor as I am, or in a chair with back support. Same with your hands, whichever position is most comfortable. You can place them on your knees or in your lap as I am. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes at this time. Use your breath to aid in this process. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in energy and awareness, and out. Breathing in and breathing out, relaxing your shoulders. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing your jaw. Go ahead now and continue to breathe naturally with a natural speed. See where in your body you can feel the breath. It may be in your stomach, where can you feel your stomach or your chest rising and falling with each breath? Do you feel any sensations at your nostrils? You might be able to feel it more in your chest or your stomach. You can decide which focal point you would like to use for this meditation, whether it be the sensations on your nose, your chest, or your abdominals. We'll use a counting exercise to help in this process. When you breathe in with awareness and you exhale, count 1 in your head. With the next exhale, count 2. Count like this up to 8, then simply start back at a 1. So we breathe in and out, That's 1. Breathing in and out. That's 2. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 3. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 4. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 5. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 6. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 7. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 8. Good. Breathing in, breathing out. Back to 1. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 2. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 3. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 4. Now, my mind just wandered. That's okay. That's part of this process. We acknowledge that our mind has wandered, and we come back. That's it. And when we come back, after our mind wanders, we automatically start at number 1 again. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 1. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 2. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 3. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 4. My mind just wandered. That's okay. I'm not going to be upset about that because I understand that my mind wandering is part of the process. Right back to it. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 1. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 2. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 3. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 4. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 5. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 6. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 7. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 8. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 1. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 2. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 3. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 4. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 5. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 6. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 7. Breathing in, breathing out. That's 8. So remember, we go to 8. Once we reach 8, we start back at 1. And if our mind wanders, we won't judge ourselves or be upset about it. We understand that that's a process, and the actual practice is acknowledging when our mind wanders, because we know that our mind will wander. That's a given. So the practice is actually acknowledging it and bringing it back. And that's it. We know that that's the practice, and we won't beat ourselves up about it. Great job today. Keep it up. We're almost finished with our challenge. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, to others, and to all living things. See you tomorrow.